Hi everyone, today I wanted to share how Core SWX has been a game changer for our company, Two Stories Media. This is specifically with their batteries. Core is a leading provider of power solutions, and for us, their reliable products have truly impressed us and kept our company powered. As a production company, it's critical for us to have power solutions that are reliable. And we recently invested in the Arri Alexa 35, which is an industry standard camera and is becoming one with their B mount batteries. The power consumption is robust, it's vast. We needed batteries that will power the camera properly along with its accessories. So Core was kind of a no-brainer after that. We no longer have to worry about power fluctuations or inadequate power supply issues. Core's batteries have exceeded our expectations and provided us with the stability and reliability that we wanted and needed with B-mount batteries for the Alexa. Not only do Core batteries deliver that reliable power, but really their innovation and their ability to maximize the Alexa 35 is what brought us to Core. This means less downtime when changing batteries, or less downtime because the quad charger is a fast charger and brings the power of the batteries to 100% faster on set. Whether it's a long production day or a location that has limited power, which we've all been at, Core has proven to be a go-to solution for us. And honestly, their batteries have just been a game changer for us. It's ensured that the Alexa 35 that we invested in performs at its best. I couldn't be happier with Core SWX and their commitment to delivering a proper power solution, proper batteries with their 275s, the 150s, the quad charger that we all have. But it's also their customer service, which has proven to be phenomenal and worked for us. I highly recommend them, and it's certainly earned our trust and gratitude.